Observability is the practice of understanding a system's performance through the data it generates. Moving beyond the basic health checks of traditional monitoring, observability provides granular visibility into complex system behaviors. This empowers engineers to refine performance before issues escalate and drive proactive improvements in reliability. As modern environments grow more complex, observability has become a business-critical function. Companies no longer just need tools. They need skilled professionals who can translate telemetry data into actionable business insights that reduce downtime and accelerate innovation. This is why we created the new Relic Certification Program. For the professional, these certifications serve as a benchmark of expertise, validating your ability to solve real-world problems. For the business, a certified team ensures a standardized, high-performance approach to observability, leading to faster mean time to resolution and a more resilient bottom line. We've built these certification paths to help you turn your technical know-how into a real-world business impact. When you complete this program, you're gaining 4 major advantages. First, there's platform mastery. Through our prep courses, you'll get the hands-on practice you need to navigate and configure the New Relic platform with total confidence. Second, you'll drive operational excellence. You're learning proven methodologies for performance and reliability that don't just fix things, they actually reduce technical debt. Third, you're mastering risk mitigation. You'll have the skills to spot vulnerabilities and system glitches before they ever reach your end users. And finally, there's industry credibility. You're walking away with a verified credential that proves you have the expertise to stand out in a competitive field. Our learners are already seeing the impact. One consultant noted that the new Relic Certification Program doesn't just deepen platform knowledge, it bridges the gap between dev and ops. For them, certification is more than a badge. It's the confidence to advocate for best practices and the ability to stay ahead of the curve as the IT industry evolves. Your journey begins with the new Relic Verified Foundation certification. This certification establishes your core knowledge of observability concepts and platform setup. Best of all, the foundation exam is completely free, making it the perfect starting point for any practitioner. From there, the path is yours to shape. You can choose to specialize based on your role or career goals. You can either master application health with the APM practitioner path, deepen your optimization skills as a performance engineer professional, or focus on uptime and scalability with the reliability engineer certification path. While we recommend starting with the foundation certification, this journey is not strictly linear. You have the flexibility to jump in where you feel most comfortable and align your learning with the challenges you solve every day. Ready to validate your expertise and join a global community of observability leaders? Head on over to learn.newrelic.com today. Sign up for your free verified foundation exam and take the first step in defining your path as a New Relic certified expert. Your journey into the future of observability starts here. We'll see you in the platform.